Hey guys, this is Fundon on Chupagama. Coming up next on Uzalo this week, Monday. Nosipho life falls apart when Pastor Kuala found out she is pregnant. Tuesday. Gingy make a daring plan at Putin which grave concerned Paranzimbi. Nosipho pregnancy scandal is affecting many areas of Pastor Kuala life. Mbata make a practical proposition for Pastor Kuala to consider. Wednesday. Gingy finally meet the ministerial Putin, while Pastor Kuala rejects an ex-lover apologize. Mrs. Lamini kidnappers raise their stakes high. Thursday. Putin is unveiling and he really as dangerous as people have been saying he is. Friday. Kapsila gets a new perspective about her future, while the Makwazas raise that the enemy is someone they need to fear. Nunca begs for forgiveness after betraying a closest all confidence, while Lily found her victorious moment in the new evidence she found. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.